Hi, my name's Nate. Thanks for joining us for part 3 of our sheetrock repair series. Today we're going to show you just how to repair a very small dent in the drywall. It's very even hard to see there, but it is there. Sometimes just a raking light hits it just right, you can see it. And if it's bothering you, it's just a simple fix. So with this one, very simple. We're going to actually skip all the texture and everything. So with this, I just use my finger. I don't even use the putty knife. And this, we're just gonna apply a little bit of the material there. What that is going to do is you wanna just fade the edges in until it blends nicely. If you're worried about any excess, you can take that wet rag and just wipe off the edges again. And once that turns white, it's ready for the primer and paint. Once again, if you don't have primer, you can do a couple coats of paint and that should blend in nicely. Thanks for joining us for part 3. Join us for part 4. I'm going to do a quick example of how to fix a nail hole for like a picture frame.